welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Seoul filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Contrast to 13. Highlights to -18. Shadows to -65. Whites to -94. And blacks to 7. Next, go to Curve. In this preset, just set the white curve. And I made this curve before. You can pause this video to make it. You can also get this preset for free. Just find the password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 30. Tint to 7. Vibrance to -78. And saturation to 14. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, saturation to 23. For orange, hue to -6. Saturation to -3. And luminance to -2. For yellow, saturation to -36. And luminance to -5. For green, hue to 22. Saturation to 38. And luminance to 35. For aqua, hue to 2. And saturation to 95. For blue, hue to 63. Saturation to -11. And luminance to 29. And last, go to Effects. Clarity to 100. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.